In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Klaviyo support in just about 5 minutes. So you've been using Klaviyo, the powerhouse of email marketing, to boost your online presence, engage with your audience more effectively, or drive more sales to your site. But like any robust platform, sometimes you might hit a snag, have a question, or just need a little guidance on how to use a particular feature. That's where Klaviyo's support comes in handy. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. To do this, head over to Klaviyo's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Don't hesitate to click it. This should navigate you to the login page, a straightforward interface asking for your email and password. After entering your credentials, click the login button once more to access your dashboard. It's pretty simple, right? Now that you're logged in, it's time to reach out to support. To find the support section, look for the support button, which is usually located at the bottom left corner or through the main menu, depending on any updates or changes to Klaviyo's layout since this video was made. Clicking on support will take you closer to getting the help you need. Once you're in the support section, you'll find a variety of options to choose from. For the purpose of this guide, we're focusing on a really cool feature Klaviyo offers, their virtual assistant. It's like having a conversation with an incredibly knowledgeable friend who's there to help. Click on the virtual assistant option to get started. Alright, so you're interacting with the virtual assistant but realize you need more in-depth support. No worries, Klaviyo's got you covered with their email support service. Look for the email support option within the virtual assistant dialog or the support page. Clicking on this will guide you through the process of sending an email to their support team. It's worth noting a couple of things at this point. First, make sure you're as detailed as possible when describing your issue or question in the email. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and assist you efficiently. Secondly, Klaviyo's support team is known for being quick and helpful, but remember, they're handling queries from a multitude of users across the globe. A little patience will go a long way. They typically respond swiftly, but response times can vary depending on the complexity of your issue and their current queue. In summary, contacting Klaviyo support is a straightforward process. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the support section through the support button, use the virtual assistant for general queries, or choose the email support option for more specific issues. Be detailed in your query to expedite the process. Exercise patience while waiting for a response. Remember, Klaviyo's support team is there to help you succeed, whether it's solving a technical issue, offering marketing advice, or providing guidance on how to better use their platform. Don't hesitate to reach out to them with your questions or concerns. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to contact Klaviyo support, designed to get you back on track with your email marketing efforts in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital marketing tools. Catch you in the next video.